discover pale moonlight. I think of you in black and white. When we were made of dreams, I walked alone through the shady streets, listening to my heartbeat in the record-breaking heat. And we were born in time. Just when I thought you were gone, you came back. Just when I was ready to receive you, you were smooth, you were rough, you were more than enough. Ah, baby, why did I believe you? I believe you in the rising current, and the ways of nature will test every nerve. I took you close and got what I deserved, and we were born in time. When I knew who to thank, you went blank. Just as the firelight was gleaming, you were snow, you were rain, you were stripes, you were plain. Oh, baby, can it be you've been scheming? Or was I dreaming in the heat of mystery? In the foggy web of destiny, you're still so deep inside of me. When we were born